Today, I'm here with Chris Safi, founder of Little Golden Light and Brooklyn native. So what is Little Golden Light?
Little Golden Light started 6 years ago as a toy drive, doing our annual holiday toy drive with the community, local businesses, schools, churches, house of worships, and to take the toy, we'll do a toy drive specifically for children that are battling pediatric cancer. As of last year, we did 6,000 toys and we gave to over 5 other pediatric cancer hospitals here in the city. And this year, we expanded to 8 different pediatric cancer hospitals. And as of last year, we officially became a nonprofit 501c3. So Little Golden Light started as a toy drive and now it's doing activities in the hospital.
What inspired you to start Little Golden Light?
What inspired me to start Little Golden Light was when I was diagnosed with cancer. I was at a very young age. I didn't really understood that I was going through cancer. But into high school, I started it as just a toy drive to give back to and help the children that are going through the hospital. The last year of high school, going into college, I had to go through multiple brain surgeries that made me realize how it wasn't just toys. So when I went through this, I realized the financial part of going through cancer and how it took effect on me with my mental health. I kept saying to myself, once I recover, I want to help with these families. I want to help these children, even though when I recover and get out. And right away, I started forming it into a nonprofit to do more than just a toy drive.
What is the primary mission of your nonprofit?
So our primary mission is to do what's not being done, and it's to provide 100% free transportation for these cancer patients. We'd like to start with one hospital and then we can expand from there. We'd like to start with either one van or one electric vehicle or a vehicle in general to start providing the service, and we can build from there. As a patient, me going 1 million times to the city in the most uncomfortable ride was, I was stressed, I was tired, I was drained. Some people, once in a while I take an Uber, they're very expensive, very, very expensive. And most families, they all work, everyone works. And if you miss one day of work and it costing you $75 to $90 one way, or it might even cost somebody more or less, that's literally a quarter of the hourly wage. And our goal is to do this all by private funding and private sponsors, so we don't have to charge insurance company, because insurance company, as we know, going through cancer is very expensive, and it happens a lot to patients that their insurance gets maxed out. This is what our goal is to grow Little Golden Light into, providing 100% free transportation.
Can you share with us a memorable moment that Little Golden Light helped the community?
All the activities and providing these donations to the hospital. A toy to a child, it changed the view. So when a child is going through treatment, they're in discomfort, they're in pain, but what takes their mind off for even 10 or 15 minutes away from the atmosphere, and they get distracted. For example, it could go from video game. The most amazing part is when you give them a toy. When somebody that they don't know comes into the room and donate the toy that they want, it really distracts the child for a little bit, and it really helps them stay away from. You can't get rid of anxiety or emotional pain, but you can help control the environment a little bit. And giving them the toy really distracts them, but it really helps them know the difference between when he has pain and anxiety. When you distract the anxiety, you know what your pain truly is. So the toy, the changing of the environment, doing these activities, the child's eyes just become so bright. They forget for a minute in the situation that he's in. Right now, as we speak, there's someone going through it. And I'm thinking also how I can help him. And this is when we go next week, and we have the whole week. We're going to a hospital every single day to give toys, to interact with the children, and to talk with family and how we can help and who Little Golden Light is.
What are your plans for the future?
Our plan for the future is providing and building this program to provide 100% free transportation for the children and family that are facing and battling pediatric cancer. This is our goal. We want to focus on building and creating this service. In the long term, I'm looking to see that Little Golden Light providing this service at a much bigger scale. We're going to continue to do these activities in the hospital. We're going to continue to talk and work with families, and we're also going to work on starting this program. As long as we start with one van or one vehicle, we could always build from there.
Thank you for speaking with me today, Chris.
Thank you. Thank you for Mercedes of Brooklyn. Thank you for Rover of Brooklyn. And thank you for the collective group for working with Little Golden Light. And you guys were the first dealership to get involved with our toy drive. So I'm very happy with the collaboration that we're working together and looking to do bigger things in the future. And thank you for Linda for helping spread the word, and a great opportunity to work with everyone at the collective group.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.